Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Aurora, or over Aurora, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plainfield, Orland Hills, Lisle, Orland Park, Aurora, Willowbrook, Bristol, Westmont, Montgomery, Hinsdale, Darien, Woodridge, Downers Grove, Palos Park, Willow Springs, Countryside, Romeoville, Clarendon Hills, Naperville, North Aurora, Boulder Hill, Burr Ridge, Warrenville, Western Springs, and Oswego. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is the other one that I have. It's kind of like walkie-talkie. It's very old.